The digital alarm clock features all you need for your bedtime routine. Alarm clock, Bluetooth speaker, FM radio, night light, and Type-C and USB charger. Its compact design fits your bedside and desk needs perfectly and makes your messy desktop instantly clean. Bluetooth speaker alarm clock made of quality materials with touch-top button plus knobs and fabric. Large screen, making it great for a bedroom, living room, or kitchen counter. Its exquisite design is definitely a wonderful gift for someone you love. You can wake up to the radio or buzzer. The alarm clock with Bluetooth speaker can charge to devices at the same time while sleeping. Type-C port also supports input, so you can also use the regular Type-C cable as a power cable. Additionally, simply press the button on the top of the radio clock and you will enjoy extra 9 minutes of slumber, perfectly designed for heavy sleep.